how to copy and paste on a Chromebook. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to copy and paste on a Chromebook. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do in order to copy anything is we need to select what we're copying. So I'm just going to use the trackpad. I'm going to use one finger and hold it down and just drag it over the text that I want to copy so that it's highlighted. Then from there, the first way to copy is going to be to use a keyboard combination of Control-C. So the control button looks like this, CTRL on it, and then we just want to hit the C button at the same time. So I'll do Control-C. I can then hold down the keyboard combination of Control-V, and it will paste what I copied. So that is going to be the control button right there and V at the same time. Now we can also do this with just our mouse and the trackpad by first selecting the text. And then if I simply double tap the trackpad, it'll bring up a menu where I can copy. And then I can put my mouse anywhere I want, double tap again, and then I can select paste. Now, if for some reason, when you're double tapping the trackpad, you can't get it to bring up that menu, that's okay. All you need to do is hold down the Alt key, and that looks like this on your keyboard at the same time that you're just tapping the trackpad, and it'll bring up the menu. So I can select the text I want to copy, hold down Alt on my keyboard, and then hit the trackpad, and I can select copy, and then I can put my mouse anywhere I want to, hold down Alt on my keyboard, hit the trackpad, and select paste. And there you go. I have now copied and pasted on a Chromebook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.